Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the PWC company. Friend, PW is a multinational organization and they are providing the virtual internship on digital assurance. And friend, you can see here, you will get this type of certificates and it is absolutely free and you can enroll in this virtual internship from any country, and whether you are the college going students, freshers or the working professionals, all are eligible for this opportunity. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the forage who is providing this PWC digital assurance. So friend, you can see here already 600 plus learners has been enrolled in this virtual internship program, and you can see here why you need to join this virtual internship program. So let's check it. So friend, you can see here, are you studying in business, IT or math, or you are skilled at working with the latest digital platforms and you are ready to work at the forefront of digital auditing and curious about leading approach that units both human based knowledge and technology driven efficiency. So friend, this is the opportunity for you, and you can see here this virtual experience in digital assurance gives you valuable insights into new world of auditing and how PwC uses analytics and mining technologies to help organization get a better understanding of their data, processes and controls. And friend, you can see in this virtual case experience, you will be part of PwC team and you will feel the atmosphere and experience our approach to help clients make better business decisions. So these are the things you can see here. And friend, what types of skills you will increase here? So you can see like data analysis, dashboard skill, then access rights, control system, client support. You can see auditing, insight preparation, management summary, finding overview, and risk rating. So this type of skills you will learn here. And friend, how this internship works? So you can see here, you have to complete task provided by the pre-recorded videos and example. And then you can see here, there will be no live session and all are self-paced. So whenever you will get the time, whether it is weekdays or weekends, you can complete it. And once you complete all the tasks, then you will get the certificates, which you can use in your resume and LinkedIn as a extracurricular activity. And friend, it will help you to stand out in application and confidently answer interview question and explain why you are good fit for their team. So these are the things is given. So let's check what types of things you will learn here. You can see here a small video is given regarding the PwC Switzerland. So you can also watch it. I will provide the link in the description box. So you can see here, the first task is given. You can see that is our first module, which is about, you can see, data dashboard. You can see here. So you can see here it is around 30 to 60 minutes, and what you will learn, you can see how to analyze data for risk assessment, then significance of reputation risk management, and how to assess business relationship using data. Then what you have to do, you have to review client and contract data, you have to analyze employee information, and you have to assess the various types of, you can see a SWOT AG business relationship. So this will be your task 1. So in the task 2, you can see you will learn, you can see here what is the ERP software, that is enterprise resource planning, then ICS, CIO. So you can see you will learn about that, and you can see you have to take a multiple choice quiz to test your understanding of access rights and related concepts. So these are the you can see thing is given. So in the task 3, you can see friend, it is about again ERP, ICS and CIO. So the importance of IT process control, especially in user access management. Then about IT internal control system, that is ICS, and their roles in audit, and insights into composing a professional email to request information from an IT authorization auditor. So what you have to do, you have to review the ICS matrix, then you have to draft a formal email requesting information for the IT authorization. Then you have to schedule a meeting with the field group CIO to discuss their processes. So let's take the task 4. So task 4, you have to prepare a testing table. So you have to assess the policy information, then you have to review security protocols in accordance with policy. Then you can see here what you will do. You have to review and verify employees' authorizations. You have to evaluate password setting against the company policy. And then, friend, you can see here, let's check the task 5. So you can see here in the task 5, you have to do the recap and recommendation. So how to prepare an exclusive level presentation, how to summarize insights and finding from data analysis and IT audit, how to make recommendation based on audit results. So these are the things you will learn. And what will you do? You have to create a PowerPoint presentation for an executive level audience. Then you have to summarize insights from data analysis and the IT audit. Then you have to provide recommendation and risk rating. So these are the things given. And in the last task, you can see it is the finish line. So you have to complete all the tasks. So friend, once you complete all these things, you will get this type of certificate. You can see here this type of certificate you will get. On the top, you can see here PWC logo is given. Then you can see your name will be given. Then the topic name is given, that is a digital assurance. Then you can see here what types of things you will learn will be mentioned on this certificate. Like there you can see data dashboard here is given, then recap and recommendation. And friend, if anyone want to verify your certificate, then you can easily verify. At the bottom of the certificate, you will find a link. Using that, you can verify. And you can see it is also signed by the you can see representatives. So it is an authorized certificates you can use in your LinkedIn and in your interview. So friend, how you will get the certificates? We have discussed that you have to complete the task. So how to enroll in this virtual experience program? So friend, before going to check that, if you are not subscribed to our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the pre-certification courses, interview tips and internship opportunities and some knowledge videos. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream. It will help us to create more videos for you. So let's check how you have to register. So friend, I have given link in the video description box. So once you open it, then you will come to this forage page. And once you come, then on the top right side, you can see you will find a button that is a start free program. So you just simply click on that. And once you click, then you will come to this new window. So if you are having your ID already in forage, then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to create your ID using the email. So you have to, if you are the new user, then you have to click on the sign up with email. And once you click, then you will come to this new page. And here you have to provide first name, then last name, then you have to enter your email address, then you have to create a password, then you have to select you are the freshers or the college going students according to your experience. So you can see in high school, university or college, and then if you are the working professionals, then or the freshers, you can select career option. And friend, at the bottom, you can see you will find a general question that how did you hear about this virtual experience program? So you can see here, you can select like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. If you are watching this video, then definitely it will be YouTube and other media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter is given. So you can select. So after selecting, you have to click on this register and you will be registered in this virtual experience program. And after that, you can log in and complete this virtual experience program and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any doubt or if you have any query regarding this virtual experience program, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.